hoping for those erstwhile highs to come back. You did mention that it's going to be a stock picker's market for FY26. So we have to keep an eye out on the right sectors and the right kind of stocks. Let's talk sectors first, and then we'll come to the stocks. So sectorally, we've seen for FY25, financial services, healthcare, services sector, metals outperform with double-digit returns, whereas, the commodities basket, energy, oil and gas, that has fallen short. We've seen realty also, after a couple of years of gains, give up some of those gains. So that's also softened a bit. For FY26, what are going to be your top 2 or 3 sectors that you will bet on?
I think the consensus goes still with banking, right, Sakshi? And the assumptions here are that as Q3 numbers have played out, I think a similar performance can be expected in the next few quarters as well. You had seen a large part of CASA deterioration actually happen on bank balance sheets. That should now probably plateau out. And the expectations in terms of advances growth, deposit growth normalizing, expectations of asset quality pressures which have come off, stabilizing at the current juncture, and in fact even improving going forward, which is a big positive from a bank perspective. The ALM part of the business, the expectations of NIM stabilizing, and at some point of time, I think interest rate cut cycle, if one really believes in the second half expected to come through, might also has a positive trigger. So yes, financial services probably remain top of the rank in terms of ratings, rankings from a sectoral perspective as we see it. Within healthcare, again, I think our own sense is that hospital stocks might continue doing well. What they've probably delivered till Q3 for 9 months FY25 have been pretty reasonable, pretty strong. And in our opinion, I think the kind of bed additions that they're probably doing, the asset-light model that they're probably approaching, ensures that not too much leverage built on the balance sheet. As utilization starts improving in terms of their bed sizes, the ARPOBs, the ALOS, the average length of stay is expected to go higher. Medical tourism is a huge aspect as well. And therefore, within healthcare, I think hospitals might continue doing well. The third play that we're probably looking internally is domestic rural-facing sectors, which might include agrochemicals, it might include a part of specialty chemicals, it might include part of fertilizer companies as well. And a few companies within the broader market that might actually benefit because of rural discretionary spending. And therefore, this pocket is a very strong pocket where we believe the Rabi season, which has just gone by, the harvest was pretty strong. As I'm time and again mentioning, if La Nina conditions evolve, you're going to see bountiful rains, which means rural economy, which is coming back, should come back even stronger. And that will give an impetus to the next Rabi season, which might be equally strong as well. And therefore, the next few quarters might actually be boding well for this segment of the market as well. So I think these 3, 4, 5 sectors actually might do well.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.